Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today I will share some powerful switch words and sacred codes for winning any court case or legal matter to be in your favor. I will also share how to use them, so please watch the video till the end. Now the court case can be any regarding family matter, property matter or regarding divorce. So any matter which is there, you can use these switch words, and if any case is there which is pending from a very long time, then also you can use these switch words. Okay, so the first switch word is elate, reverse, tap, adjust, be, somehow. Next, fleur de lis. Next, tap, touch, listen, between, tender, rendezvous, now, done. And the next is trump, for, victory. And the last one is divine, wolf, magic, begin, now. Now these two switch words you will use for chanting while you are in the courtroom. Okay, and the earlier three switch word phrases we will use for making energy circle, and this two for chanting while you are in the courtroom. Okay, and these are the sacred codes. First one is 1 2 5 5 5, that is 4 times 5, 9 0 1. Next is 6 2 7, and this code will help to lighten any legal procedure, that is it will make it more peacefully done. Okay, next is 3 1 1. This code will help in legal problems. Any legal problem is there, it will help. And the last is 183.58 hertz, that is HZ. This code is for justice. Okay, so these are the codes and the switch words which will help for victory in your case, and how you will use them. The first three switch words which I gave, that you will write in an energy circle like this with a blue pen. Okay, and this energy circle you can use for charging your water and drinking, plus you can hang it somewhere, and you can also carry this energy circle while you are going to the court along with you. Okay, you can write your name inside the circle. And what you can do is, if you do not want to stick it or hang it somewhere, just make an energy circle like this. Okay, you can either laminate it or use any transparent plastic sheet like this, and you will keep the photograph of the person on whom the case is registered. Suppose the case is in your name, then you will take your photograph and just keep it above the energy circle. Do not stick it. Okay, just keep it above and place this energy circle somewhere facing upwards like this. Okay, you can write the codes on your body on the left side with a blue pen. You can chant these switch words. Okay, these are the few ways which you can use. You can also watch my video on how to use switch words and make energy circle. I'll put that at the end of this video. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.